Hey guys, Ryan at Wally's Lights. Wanted to do a quick setup video or assembly video for the WB1616 controller kit that we offer. You're gonna open it up. It really takes about 2 minutes to do it. So open it up, you're gonna have the controller bag, an OLED, an LCD mount, and beagle bone black. In this bag, with the controller in it, you want to be careful about it because also with the controller, the SD card is inside of that, so you don't want to grab the controller out and just toss it. You're going to open up the beagle bone box, grab the beagle bone out of there. There that is. You flip it over on the back side, the SD card goes in, press it in so it clicks and then it's flush. This mounts on to the pins. Get them all lined up, make sure both sides are lined up, and then you just press it in. The OLED display mount, the 2 pins go in the holes down there. The OLED display is in the small bag. They're labeled here. It matches up with the 4 pins on here. You push those in and it should sit right there on the mount. Make sure you have the correct voltage selected for what you're powering or for which pixels. If you're doing 12 volt or 5 volt, top 2 are positive, bottom 2 are negatives. And then on the beagle bone, you have your RJ45 if you're going to hardwire it, or you have a USB for a Wi-Fi adapter. That's a quick video on how to get this assembled.